CNC connectivity is connecting the actual CNC machine to the digital twin of the machine. And it verifies that the data that are stored in the CNC matches the data that was verified. This is a new module we have called Connectivity, and its intention is to connect a CNC machine, to our simulation package to verify that the machine is configured correctly. I'm going to start the demo right now, and now the machine is moving at the same time where Vericut is actually taking the part, does the looping. What connectivity is, it's really intended to verify that the machine is set up correctly. Typically, people will verify that the CAM system or the NC program that was generated is programmed correctly. Here is we're verifying that the machine information is actually matches what's been verified. Because sometimes when people enter data in the control itself, they might transpose some letters. So you'll end up with not exactly what has been proven out to be correct. When you go run on a machine, all of a sudden it's like, why is this not working? With the connectivity, because we're communicating with the CNC machine itself, it verifies that the machine is configured correctly and it matches whatever been verified. So you took the full loop between CAM to verification to machine verification back into Vericut. The work offset matches what's been verified. Just for, again, peace of mind to make sure that everybody is working off the same set of rules, same set of files. That's why we do this communication. We had situation where customers go, yes, everything has been verified. We put the program on the CNC, and all of a sudden we get a crash. As you investigate, you find out that somebody transposed a number when they put it on the CNC, human errors. Now, you catch those before you actually hit the start button on the machine itself.